TEP. TEP series electric pallet truck with 2,000 kilograms to 2,500 kilograms capacity and 680 millimeter or 540 millimeter fork lateral distance for options. The emergency button on our MiMA self-designed handle can prevent accidents effectively. Dismantle battery cover and pedal. Make it easy to replace or maintain battery and driving wheel. Auxiliary wheel linkage mechanism with torsion bar makes the truck more stable and easy to be adjusted. With standard EPS steering system, small body structure design, Curtis controller, 1.5 kilowatt AC driving motor, and 2.2 kilowatt lifting motor, this pallet truck has enough power to work effectively, which is widely used to move heavy goods from point to point with a long distance in warehouses.